Kumana na wongerereku wa njukaniro gatagati ka aikari ya kaunti ya Wajir o undu umwe na ciiko cia unyitani wa hinya kwi airitu, gikundi kia atumia kiria kireita Sister Rise Together Foundation ni kiugite ni gigutigirira atumia ni manyitanira kuhunjia thayu mwena ucio.
The rapist will feel like at the end of the day his clan will sit with this other clan and they will negotiate and it will be collective, payment, not just even him who's paying.
Hamwe na uguo, atumia aya ni maugite ni mekuhurana na ciiko cia kunyitwo kia hinya kuri airitu.
These issues of rape case is becoming very high and dormant in Wajir County, and we are there to fight the rape. We are there to fight the rape because it is violation of human rights, and girls being raped, mothers being raped or being killed, whatever it is, violation of human rights is a criminal act of the law. And we must follow the law and reinforce the law.
Ni maugite aria marinyitikanaga mekite ciiko ta icio ni mari oyagirwo ikinya ria kiwatho.
And at the end of the day, if somebody is raped, there is no justice there. And we feel like our elders who we do not condemn the Somali customary law. We just do not want maslahas, the customary law, when it comes to addressing rape.
Gikundi giki giguthiururuka kaunti-ini yo kuhunjia thayu o undu umwe na kuhurana na ciiko cia kunyitana kia hinya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Miringo wa Mungai.